Hey everybody, it's Adam with UTV Rides. I just received notice that a package has arrived at my house. So we're gonna go get it and we're gonna open it. We're gonna see what's inside that package and I think you're gonna like it.
All right, everybody. They got me stuck at the office, but now we're on our way and we're going to go get this box. Okay, full disclosure, I got thirsty, had to stop and get a drink. Okay, I was able to get my nice, frosty, giant, huge beverage. Keep myself hydrated because it's important when you're gonna open a box. It's very important to stay hydrated because you never know what's gonna happen. Box that you've been wanting me to open ever since you first heard about it about 20 seconds ago, give or take, time-lapse driving footage that was in there. So I went and got my special $9.99 for 2 or something like that box opening device, and we're gonna open this box and see what's in here. In case you're wondering, this box came out of Burley, Idaho from Yankum Ropes. Kind of gives it away, but not entirely. Got our Yankum Rope stickers. Those are important because you can put them on stuff. There's both this kind of sticker and there is this kind of sticker. And I got 2 of each, so I could decal up my truck or my side-by-side or my friend's truck or Sean, who's taking the videos, truck. He'd kill me because it's a really nice truck. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like we got a couple of Yankum Ropes carrying bags. So those are going to come in handy. We'll be able to stuff the rope right in there. Keep it handy in our side-by-sides. And then last but not least, we have our Yankum rope. And what makes this rope special is it uses kinetic energy. So if I was sitting here, I wouldn't be able to stretch it out at all by myself because I'm a weakling. But let's say I'm out in the dunes or in the mud or on the rocks and myself or my buddy gets stuck, and you can either just use this as a regular tow rope, but if you need a little bit of momentum, I can drive. It'll put tension on this rope, it'll stretch it a little bit so it won't jerk anybody's neck, and then it'll just calmly pull you out. There's some great videos on these ropes from some other YouTubers out there that I'll share with you in the description so you can go check them out. But I'm excited to have these, and we're going to go test them out and do some videos testing these out, show you how they work. Thanks, and we'll see you later. Alright guys, I'm going to pick my nose and then I'm going to say alright guys again.